Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are solving question number 5 of exercise 7.1 grade 12th. So in this question number 5, AB value of AB is given that one. What is that value? 4i minus 2j, and the value of B is equal to minus 2 comma 5. Right? Find a vector A to origin. Find a vector A to origin. It means that we have to find the value of A. A to origin mean we have to find value of this one. A to origin. We have to find this value. That is our demand. That is our requirement. When we have to find this value, so first of all we have to find OB, then we will put the definition of AB. So what is the value of OB? The value of OB is equal to, so how to make OB? Because B is equal to minus 2 comma j, and if we have to connect with the position vector, so how to write? Good. That is minus 2i plus 5j. After that, according to definition of AB, what is the definition of AB? How to solve AB? AB is equal to in a vector form. So how? Good. That is OB minus OA. So here we have to put the values which is given that one, but here we need that one. Before putting the value, we need AO. So little bit we need a simplify. If OB is shifting on this side, so what happened? That will become AB minus OB is equal to minus OA. But that is minus OA. We need AO. So it means that what is the difference of these both vectors? The difference of these both vectors is a negative vector. What is negative vector? Which is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Here direction is A to O, but here O to A. So it means that we need to A to O. If I will write A to O, so this negative sign will finish. Now A to O, this negative sign finish, because that is negative vector, and here that will become AB minus OB. Now we will put the values of AB and OB, then simplify, then we will get AO. So AO you can able to write on the left hand side, it's no issue. AO we will write it here. So AB minus OB, again I am writing that it will be clear, AB minus OB. So what is the value of AB? 4i minus 2j. Good. 4i minus 2j. After that negative sign, that is the value of AB. Then OB, what is the value of OB? Minus 2i plus 5j. एक बात आपको बताता चलूँ, ये सारे यूनिट वेक्टर हैं, सो वेक्टर नोटेशन इज कंपल्सरी. इफ आई विल फॉरगॉट, बट यू हैव टू अप्लाई द वेक्टर नोटेशन, otherwise it will be caused to cut your marks. Okay, so the vector notation is compulsory of that one. So we have to open the brackets. So how to open the bracket? It will be remain same, 4i minus 2j. Here what change? Outside the bracket there is negative sign, so what's change when open the bracket? Good. So it will become plus 2i minus 5j. Now what is the next step? Good. Solve I component with I and j component with j. Very good. So 4i plus 2i. So how will become? What is the answer? If you want to rearrange first, up to you, otherwise you can write directly. That will become 6i. And after that minus 2j and minus 5j, it will become minus 7j. So that is AO, that our requirement is complete. Okay, that is question number 5 of the book, chapter number 7, exercise 7.1. Now I will explain question number 6. In question number 6, asking about a unit vector. Asking about a unit vector. What is unit vector? Good. The vector whose magnitude is equal to 1. Whose magnitude is equal to 1. And what is the mathematical notation of a unit vector? How to write a unit vector mathematical, and what's its formula? Good. So mathematical, we will write a unit vector like there is a u vector, and unit vector denoted by this cap. Okay, unit vector denoted by this cap because that is a unit vector, and here according to rule the vector u over the magnitude of a u, that is its mathematical formula. It means that whenever he will ask about the unit vector, first of all, what we have to do? We have to find its magnitude first, then after that divide it a unit vector. According to statement, the question number 6, second part, I am going to solve. V is equal to 1 over 2i. Vector V is equal to 1 over 2i. After that, plus 3 root over 2j. This is a vector, is given that one V. We have to find its unit vector. So, first of all, what we have to do that? Good, we have to need its magnitude. The notation of magnitude is that this absolute value like that one. So, here the formula of magnitude. How to find magnitude? Good, the square of I component plus square of j component. Square of I component plus square of j component. What's square of I? 1 over 2, and here root 3 over 2. Simplify, then what we will get the answer? So 1 over 2 square, it is equal to magnitude of V 1 over 4 plus. What's the answer this? Good. Square cancel by square root, and 2 square is equal to 4. That is equal to 3 over 4. When more simplify, 4 over 4 cancel, 1 square root of 1 is equal to 1. Right? After that, we have to put these values in the formula of a unit vector. Unit vector formula, what is that? According to formula, the vector unit vector of V is equal to vector V divided by magnitude of V. So vector V, what is that? 1 over 2i plus 3 over 1 over 2i plus 3 root over 2j divided by its magnitude. What is that? Its magnitude 1. So when you divide it by its magnitude, it means that there is no change. If any number is that here 2, 3 or 4, then we have to multiply by that its denominator, but there is no change. So you have to just write 1 over 2i plus 3 over 2j. That is a unit vector of this one. And question solved. This question of 7.1 exercise, question number 5 and question number 6, that the same question that you have to solve in exercise 7.3. Little bit change of 7.3 exercise, sorry 7.2. 7.2 exercise, what is change in 7.2 exercise? Here the component is only on a plane, mean I and j component involved. But in 7.2 exercise, that k component is also involved. What does it mean? In 7.2 exercise, if I will take one question of 7.2, that it is given that question number 2 that u is given. What is u given? That u is given that I plus 2j minus k. Unit vector I have to find that one. Okay, magnitude of the vector u is equal to I plus 2j and minus k. V is equal to, what is that? 3i minus 2j plus 2k. 3i minus 2j plus 2k. The vector w, what is given that? The vector w is 5i minus j, 5i minus j plus 3k. As you knew that one, before that we are solving only I and j component, but here we have to also use the k component, mean the space is also using, z axis is also using, and I gave you assignment that how to solve. You have to solve one part, that its third part is this one. You have to solve it now and show me. That is 3v plus w its magnitude. We have to find this. You have to find this value. How to find it? Procedure is the same. So question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 is also the assignment of 7.2 exercise. Also with this, that you have to solve that. What is that? You have to find 3v plus w. Solve it now, but the remaining 2 parts you have to solve as a homework. So how to solve? Okay, I can give you one clue, that first of all that you will do that 3 multiply by vector v, all values. Okay, then plus simple w, no need to multiply any number. Open the brackets, then what is the sign between them? Plus. So I component add with I, good, then j component add with j and k component add with k, good. After that what you will do? Yes, good. So what is the meaning of this one? That means that magnitude of the vector. So when you will find the final answer, then you have to find its magnitude. Before that, when we are taking magnitude, then we are taking square of I component plus square of j component, but here k component is also involved. So what we will do? That square of I component, then square of j component, then plus square of k component, then our question solved. So this is your assignment. Please start to solve and give me the answer. Thank you very much.